3 tools, 1 subscription. Most of you are using the wrong one. The thinker, the builder, the organizer, and the combination workflows nobody talks about. Let me show you the framework that changes everything. You open Claude, you type a prompt, you get an answer, then you copy it. Paste it into your editor, go back to Claude, give it more context, copy. Paste, copy, paste. Sound familiar? You're using Claude AI like a Swiss Army knife. Need to refactor 50 files? Claude AI. Need a spreadsheet from messy data? Claude AI. Need to debug your entire codebase? You guessed it. Claude AI. Here's the problem. You're using one tool for 3 completely different jobs. That's like using a screwdriver to hammer nails. It works. Barely. But there's a hammer right next to you. Anthropic didn't build one product. They built 3. Each one designed for a specific type of work. Claude AI for thinking, Claude Code for building, and Cowork for organizing. But here's what nobody tells you. The real power isn't picking the right one. It's combining all 3. I call it the 3 layers. Layer 1. Thinking. That's Claude AI. The chat interface you already know. Layer 2. Building. That's Claude Code. An autonomous agent that lives in your terminal. Layer 3. Organizing. That's Cowork. A desktop agent that manages your files while you walk away. 3 layers, 3 interfaces. 1 $20 subscription. Let's break each one down. Claude AI is the thinker. This is the chat interface at Claude.ai and the Claude app. Web, desktop, mobile. It's everywhere. You type, it responds, you upload a PDF, it analyzes it. You need a quick answer, it's right there. It's a conversation, and that's the key word, conversation. Claude AI is brilliant for research and analysis. Need to break down a 100-page document? Upload it. Writing a blog post or marketing copy. Claude AI drafts it with you in real time. Learning a new framework? Claude AI explains it step by step. But here's the limitation. Everything stays in the chat. You can't run code. You can't touch your file system. You can't execute commands. Your context window is your ceiling, and once it fills up, you start over. Think of Claude AI as a brilliant colleague sitting across the table. Amazing for thinking, not built for doing. Claude Code is the builder. This is where it gets serious. Claude Code lives in your terminal. It reads your entire code base. It writes files. It runs tests. It pushes commits. It doesn't need you to copy-paste anything because it's already inside your project. Need to refactor 30 files? 1 prompt. Claude Code reads the codebase, understands the patterns and makes the changes. Need to debug a failing test. It reads the error, traces the code and fixes it. Autonomously. And the power features are stacked. Claude.md gives it persistent project instructions. Skills give it on-demand expertise through /commands. Hooks automate actions on events. And MCP servers connected to GitHub, Slack, Sentry and over 100 other tools. The mental model, Claude Code is an autonomous developer with keys to your entire working environment. It doesn't just suggest code, it ships code. Now here's the thing. The terminal gives you maximum power. Full file system access. Runs tests, pushes commits. But the Claude desktop app now has a code tab built right in. Same AI, friendlier interface. Less autonomous than the terminal, but perfect for guided coding without touching the command line. Cowork is the organizer. And this is the one most people don't know about. Cowork lives inside the Claude desktop app. You switch from chat mode to Cowork mode. You give it access to a folder on your computer. Then you describe what you want done and walk away. Come back and the work is finished. Need your downloads folder sorted by type and date. Done. Need a spreadsheet built from scattered receipts. Done. Need a PowerPoint deck generated from your meeting notes. Done. Cowork connects to Google Drive, Gmail, DocuSign and more through connectors. It has industry-specific plugins for finance, engineering and HR. On Mac it works directly inside Excel and PowerPoint. And the safety model is different. Cowork runs in an isolated virtual machine. It can't reach the internet unless you let it. It asks permission before deleting anything. The mental model? Cowork is an AI coworker you leave messages for. Describe the outcome, set the cadence, and step away. It's Claude Code's power wrapped in an interface anyone can use. Wait, 91% of solo AI builders quit within 3 months. But not this group. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts where you debug together. Weekly workshops that actually level you up. A full agentic coding course. 72 lessons, 12 modules. From zero to shipping multi-agent systems. People share projects, brainstorm ideas, help each other in real time. This is where AI builders actually make it. Link in description, 10% off. Join us. Back to the video now. So, which Claude do you actually use? Here's the framework. 3 questions. Question 1. Do I need to research, analyze, or write? No code base involved? Use Claude AI, the thinker. Question 2. Do I need to build across a code base? Plan, code, test, deploy? Use Claude Code, the builder. Question 3. Do I need to organize files and documents? Sort, compile, create spreadsheets, generate presentations? Use Cowork, the organizer. That's it. Think. Build. Organize. 3 words, 3 tools. The right tool for the right job. Now here's where it gets interesting. You're probably thinking, I'll just pick one and stick with it. Stop. The real power move is chaining them together. Combo 1. Research, then build. Use Claude AI to explore the technology, read the docs, compare frameworks, understand the landscape. Then open Claude Code and tell it to implement what you've learned. Claude AI gives you clarity. Claude Code gives you code. Combo 2. Build, then document. Claude Code ships the feature, runs the tests, commits the code. Then Cowork generates the release notes, updates your tracking spreadsheet, and creates the stakeholder presentation. Code handles code. Cowork handles everything else. Combo 3, the full pipeline, all 3 in sequence. Claude AI researches it, Claude Code builds it, Cowork documents it. Each tool doing what it's best at. No tool forced to do what another does better. And here's the part nobody mentions. Claude Code and Cowork can run in parallel. Terminal open on one side, refactoring your backend. Desktop app on the other side, organizing your project docs. Same time. Different contexts. 0 conflicts. All 3 products. 1 Pro subscription. $20 a month. That's less than most people spend on coffee in a week. Start with Claude AI. When you hit the copy-paste wall, graduate to Claude Code. When you need files and documents handled, add Cowork. Then chain all 3 and watch what happens. If this framework saved you time, hit subscribe. I break down AI tools like this every week. Link to everything in the description below.